coast are 4 interdependent ecosystems that exist together nowhere else in the world. That is the mangroves, the seagrass, the keys, and the reeds that group together and can expel salt water. Hundreds of varieties all over the world. We have 3 types here in the park. We have red mangroves.
Evidently, those are called black finger mangroves. So it appears that I've already been bitten by the No-See-Ums bugs or insects on my hand and maybe on my forehead. Sure, but it's pretty itchy. Wearing long sleeves, long pants. It's foggy out. It's a very interesting island. I'm gonna show you here the lighthouse that they said was built, and they never used it because it wasn't on the right side of the island, and it also is a hazard. So they use it as a water cistern. I need to show you here. There is the lighthouse over there. There are a couple of buildings. There's a barn that they were using for vehicles. I think they said it's Fitzgerald that settled this island. And restrooms. And it looks like a lot of people are camping here. But there's like lots of little bugs and things, so I don't know that I would camp here or not. I see it's either a needle-nosed fish. Can't tell if you can see that in the water or not.
Here comes another one. Yeah. So what you see is all those little black dots and shoots it out there. Every one of those little round dots you see is a long coil that is lined with flagella. They think of as a sponge. Lighthouses that line the reef today.
Yeah, she's really
Super healthy. Look at that. That's awesome. See him right there? He's moving. Fishing lodge in the bay there. It was called the Soldier Key Club. And then today it is a bird sanctuary.
Hammerhead, that's what I was saying.
Good size one. All right,
There it is.
slow, slow, slow. Let's see if we can get him to come by us. Yeah, he's got that third fin
There's something
there.
else out in the distance there that keep popped up too.
Yeah, I saw it. Looks like a little turtle. Where'd the sun go?
He's probably getting close to tree right
Oh,
about
no,
now.
right over here. He was pretty big too. No. Yeah, I saw the third fin there in the back before the tail.